Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year gate numerical based on the spring. This question was asked in gate 2002 for 2 marks, and basically this question is based on the spring. Now the question is, if the wire diameter of closed coil helical spring subjected to a compressive load is increased from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter. Now wire diameter is represented by small d. Therefore, here they have mentioned that initially d1 was 1 centimeter and it is increased from 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter, means finally d2 becomes 2 centimeter. Right. This is the change in wire diameter. Now, for this change in wire diameter, other parameters remaining same. Now, rest all parameters are same. The deflection will increase by the factor of. Now, deflection is nothing but delta. And my dear students, we have derived one formula to find this deflection, which is nothing but deflection is equal to 8p capital D cube into n divided by g small d power 4. This formula already we have derived in theory lectures. That means deflection is inversely proportional to d power 4 small d power 4 because other parameters are same. They are mentioning rest all parameters remaining same. Therefore, here only wire diameter is changing. Right. That's why we have to check the relation of deflection with wire diameter only. Therefore, deflection is inversely proportional to wire diameter 4. Therefore, we can say deflection 2 divided by deflection 1 is equal to d1 power 4 divided by d2 power 4, which is nothing but d1 is 1 power 4 divided by d2 is 2 power 4, which is nothing but we can say 1 upon 16. Therefore, my dear students, here deflection 2 divided by deflection 1 is equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, final deflection is equal to initial deflection divided by 16. Therefore, can I say the deflection is decreased by 1 by 16? Right. Deflection is decreased by 16. We can say here deflection is decreased by 16. Therefore, option A is correct choice. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic.